This is why you need Express Cargo Service. Smooth imports from around the globe. At Express Cargo Service, we specialize in reliable and efficient imports from China, USA, and Dubai to Pakistan. Serving business owners and individuals alike, we handle commercial goods, machinery, garments, auto parts, mobile accessories, and more. Our air cargo service is perfect for urgent shipments, offering fast delivery. For larger loads, our sea freight services provide a cost-effective and dependable option. We take care of everything, from documentation and customs clearance to last-mile delivery. With our extensive network and partnerships with top airlines and shipping lines, we ensure timely and cost-efficient deliveries. Our dedicated team offers personalized support, making sure every shipment reaches its destination safely. Experience hassle-free end-to-end cargo solutions with Express Cargo Service. Contact us today on WhatsApp at 0333321151 or 03213893692. Visit our website at www.expressclearing.pk. Choose Express Cargo Service, your trusted partner for all import needs.